This video will cover how to scroll using Smyle Mouse. As you'll recall, in Smyle Mouse, to move the mouse, you move your head back and forth like this, and to click, you smile like this. To start scrolling, first select this scroll icon from the Click Options menu here. Next, go back to the window in which you want to scroll, and to activate the scroll function, smile. Then, look up or down depending on which direction you want to scroll, like this. You'll notice that the speed at which you scroll can be controlled by how far up and down you move your head. Bringing your cursor further away from this yellow circle allows you to scroll faster, and bringing it closer to this yellow circle allows you to scroll slower, like this. To stop scrolling, you can either bring your cursor back to the center of that yellow circle, or you can just smile again, like this. To scroll using dwell mode, you'll follow the same steps as before. However, you'll recall that in Smyle Mouse's dwell mode, instead of smiling to click, you simply hold your head in place to click, like this. And once again, select the scroll icon from the Click Options menu, and then come back to the window on which you want to scroll. And instead of smiling to start scrolling, you simply keep your head in place, like this. And once again, look up and down to scroll, and look further up or further down to control the speed at which you scroll. The only way to stop scrolling in dwell mode is to bring your cursor back to the center of the yellow circle, like this. And that's how to scroll using Smyle Mouse. Thanks for watching.